Hello, I'm Petros Sigas. I'm a lecturer at the Cyprus University of Technology, and I lead the Mechanical Engineering and Additive Manufacturing Laboratory. We are Cyprus University of Technology is part of the Herdelize project. My part is mainly with digital manufacturing, meaning when we digitize, we take a tangible physical object and take it into the digital world. I do the opposite, so I take it from the digital world and I bring it back into the physical world. And then you can manipulate materials, ways to do that. You can do things with the manufacturing that you obviously wouldn't be able to do with the original, like open it, cut it in half, make it, actually have people touching it and exploring it or studying it. Cyprus University of Technology has other roles as well. So we participate in Herdelize as a unit, the Mnemosyn research unit that is formed by 3 labs. And we are also bringing experience in digitization, in memory twins, and in holistic representation of tangible cultural heritage. We aspire that Herdelize, by the end of Herdelize, we will have results that, of course, we can all be very proud, that will be able to help our stakeholders and give them and have useful outcomes that will allow them to do what they do great already, even better. And also we hope that maybe in the process we can establish some methodologies and create some tools that other colleagues can maybe use and improve even further in terms of standards and accuracy and use and reuse.